Elvis Duran along with Carolina Bermudez backstage at the iHeartRadio Music Festival. My girl, Lady Gaga.
Yes!
Oh, you look so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Thank you so much. You both look so. Look how handsome. And
So, are you wearing this on stage tonight, or is this
No.
just your arrive at the
I wore this today.
Oh,
beautiful.
this is her day outfit, Elvis. This is what she wakes up. She rolls out of bed, just puts this little number together. It's beautiful.
I
And
actually got dressed up for you.
Oh,
because
you
I know you like
did.
a lady in the
Thank
dress.
you. This iHeartRadio Music Festival, pretty huge. 2 nights, we're making history. I mean, people are comparing it to the Live Aids and the Woodstocks of years
Absolutely.
past. You're closing it all out. I mean, it's really your night, in my opinion. Got to be honest.
It's completely surreal, and I had rehearsal a couple days ago, and I really wanted to sleep at the MGM, like on the stage, on the floor, and just not leave. I miss touring so much, and I feel completely honored to be closing this festival. It's historic. It really is amazing.
yeah.
What about Joe Calderone? Should I be dressing as Joe for Halloween? I'm hearing that's all the rage this Halloween.
It's the biggest Halloween
We're
costume.
not speaking right now.
Oh no, you have it. You guys had a falling out.
Well, who does he think he is going on national television and speaking about my personal life like that?
You know, it's kind of funny about being in Las Vegas. We've been out on the town, and the buzz is about this concert. You got monsters everywhere. I mean,
Oh, I saw some of them.
yeah.
Oh, they are all over.
And they're stalking you.
Yeah.
They're the best.
Everybody's waiting for Mother Monster, and they want to see what you're going to be wearing tonight. It's all on Twitter, hashtag iHeartRadio. We've gotten so many responses. People are dying to see what you're going to do on
Well,
stage.
to give you a little bit of a sneak peek,
Mm-hmm.
the show, this set is entirely custom made for iHeartRadio for this festival.
Can you talk about the piano, the keyboard?
I'm not gonna tell you.
It's unbelievable because we
You
saw it. She came to work in her bra and pantyhose,
And so, yeah.
and you look fabulous in that.
Thank you. That's what I wear to rehearse it.
Is that what you wear to go to the store?
When I go to the store, yes, that's what I wear.
Tonight's the night. 2 nights of unbelievable music, ending with my favorite. I love you so much,
I
Lady
love
Gaga.
you too, and Elvis and I go way back. Every time I hear your voice, it takes me back to waking up in the morning and feeling like I could have a great day at
Well,
school.
you can listen to him all the time now on the iHeartRadio app. There's the Elvis Duran channel, and you can listen to him anytime you want.
And
Thank
you
you.
know I will.
Thank you so much. We're so proud to have you here, and I'm always so proud of you.
Thank
Lady Gaga at the
Lady
iHeartRadio
Gaga.
Music Festival.